Guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be about how to set up BotRix and the different things you can do on it. So let's get straight on with the video. So guys, what you want to do is type in BotRix on your Google Chrome like this, and then click on BotRix, which is right here, and it should come up loading like this. Obviously you can log in, make an account using your Twitch, Discord, YouTube, whatever one you want to use. But next, click on profile, just to give you guys a bit of a tour. If you want to use like YouTube or say Kick, what you want to do is click on settings, and then it will switch to Kick, and then it will bring up your Kick chat when you set it up on your stream. But I'm going to change that to Twitch because that's what I use. Now, first off is your alerts. So your alerts will come up like this, and all you do is set it up and however you want them to come out as. So if I click followers, for example, and that came up like that just above my webcam right there. So what you want to do is just click on the style you want, and then the provision, the alert duration, so how long you want it to pop up for, and the animation, whether you want it to slide, zoom, rotate, however you want to do it. Image, you can download your own on your computer, or you click on right next to it, which is the two pictures there, and you can pick any one of these. And then once you've done that, you can click any sound you want on here if you don't have one, or download one of your own, and then do your voice. If you have, like, say, your subscriptions and someone says something, you want it to read it out, that'll do that for you. Volume, I usually keep it on 35 because you don't want it super duper loud. Text color, you do that as you want to, like channel colors if you want to. And then there's all this stuff you can mess around with, and you just do that throughout all of these, and then you click add. But before you just go through all of them and do it, once you say you've done your subscription one, you click save settings and it will save it for you, and then you just do that throughout the whole thing. The next thing, if you want to add a chat, click on widget, and then there's all these different kind of things you can add to your stream, like a donation goal if you wanted a donation goal, and you can click the different shapes. So that's that. You can just mess around with that, do like your goal that you want to do. The next, but what I use is the chat, and you just tick which one you're using or light it up, press the button. And if you want a different option instead of transparent, you click on design and say if you wanted bubbles, it'll pop with bubbles on the text like that. And there's different ones, so you just click what one you want, and then that'll be fine. And then obviously there's the emoticons, I don't know what they are, but you can do those. So that's that. So if I just do an example of how to set it up, I will be right back and I will show you how to add them. Say you want to go on your alert, you click on copy just above right here next to advanced settings, and then what you want to do is click on the plus on sources, and then click on browser, and then just name it. I'm just going to name it C, for example, because I've already got some. And then what you do is you copy and paste the URL, make the size you want, or you can just adjust it on your stream whenever you want to. Click OK, and that's done. And then say I want to do follower. There you go, that's that done, and you can just put it anywhere you want, but now I'm just going to delete that because I don't need it. And then next, if you want your chat, go on widgets, chat, click on the bottom, it should say widget URL, click copy, and then obviously you go on the plus on sources, browser, and then let's just put C, and then OK, URL, and then you just copy it and then click OK. And then say if I was to just bring up my Twitch chat just for a second, and then I was just typing a bunch of stuff and then click OK, that will pop up right there on the screen. So that's basically how you set up your alerts and stuff, or whatever you want to add to your stream or videos. That was how to set up BotRix and a quick tour of BotRix. If you need any help on the sound on BotRix, I will link a video in the description to help you sort out the sound on your OBS with your alerts. Also, it would help very much if you subscribed, liked and commented on the video, just to let me know that you liked the video and you thought it was helpful. I do have more videos coming out soon, and I would just like to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.